In this video, I'll show you how to remove desktop icons in Windows 10 without deleting them. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, in order to hide all of your icons at once, there is very straightforward process. We just need to hit right click on the screen, go to view and click on this show desktop icons option. Now you can see all of my icons are now gone. If you want to get back them again hit right click, go to view and check this option show desktop icons, and yeah, you can see all of our icons are now back. So this is the first way, but in case if you want to hide your specific icons, in that case we just need to click on the file explorer, then click on desktop and select the icons which you want to remove. I want to remove Google Chrome, GTA and Instagram. Now hit right click on cut and open any of your folder and just paste these icons right here. So I'll just paste these icons right here. Once you are paste the icons here, you will see the icons are now gone from your screen, and if you want to get back them again, just select them again, hit right click on cut and paste them on your desktop just like this. So yeah guys, that's it. This is how you can do this. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.